Hey guys, so I wanted to do a review of this Rio power adapter. It's got a USB port there, meant to charge up your phone, your USB devices, whatever you got to charge. And so let's get right to it. So first things first, we have to add the barbecue sauce. And make sure it gets in there. Nice and good. I'm gonna dip it in there a few times. And now we will go ahead and plug this in. All right. Now, the instructions say that's step one. Now we're gonna try to charge up my power bank over here. Let me just go and grab that. All right. Might need two hands here. Nope, I think I got it. All right. Man, this is tough. All right. Let's plug this bad boy in. See how she runs. It's not charging for some reason. It's making a noise though. Anyways, yeah, I might have gotten a dud unit, so I guess I'll try another one. Thanks for watching, guys. See you later.